we're going to go over the sterile ultrasound probe cover. When you open up the kit or when it's handed off on the table, these are kind of the three major components. You have the actual probe cover. It usually comes with some sterile ultrasound gel, and then there's two rubber bands that usually come with it as well too. And basically, this is the cover that you're going to use to kind of put over the wired ultrasound probe so that you can use it during the case and it will remain sterile. So, it can be a little confusing in the beginning, but basically, if you just kind of neatly unwrap it here, what you can see with the ultrasound probe cover is it's kind of like folded in a telescoping fashion, and usually there'll be kind of some pictographs here. This one just kind of shows you the general steps and the orientation. So you see that this arrow is here. This is actually where the probe is going to go, and then if you kind of peel the layers back here, you'll see that this is where your hand is to go. So basically what you do is you put your hand in here, and then what you can do is put your ultrasound gel here, and then as you kind of grab the probe, you'll pull it inside here, and as you go, someone else or you can just pull this through while you peel this back, and then it will kind of unravel in that fashion. So it's very self-explanatory. You can put gel on the inside before you grab the probe, plus minus, and then you can also put it on the other side once the probe goes through. And then this is just kind of a very easy way to kind of keep things sterile. The whole thing is sterile here, so as long as you're careful when you're kind of pulling this through, you don't need another person to necessarily help you, but you just want to make sure that you don't touch the you don't touch the probe and make it not sterile. Similarly, or furthermore, as you kind of pull the probe back out, then you can use these rubber bands to kind of wrap the probe or wrap the plastic around the probe in a way that it's not bulky. And in a different video, we'll show you how to do that. But just keep in mind, this is generally how you use the probe, the gel, and then don't lose these rubber bands. They're actually pretty helpful.